Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 3 Excel tips that's going to make your colleagues jealous. In this first example, I have just received a performance appraisal report, and the report has all of the data in rows. So in order for me to, for example, clean up this data, I would have to copy each of these ones, move this here, and then start to copy each employee ID, date, name, and department into this. That's going to take me a long time. That's a simple trick in Excel that's going to make us convert all of this into columns. And so I would type equals wrap rows, hit tab, and it's asking me where do I have the data. I'm going to go to A1 here and use the shift control down to select all of it. And now it's asking what is the wrap count. What this is asking me is how many columns should be created, and based off of this rows here, it should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put 5 here, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And there we have it, all our data wrapped into rows. You can imagine how long this is going to take if you have to do it one after the other. And the second tip today is to show you how to drag data or cells and merge them into an already existing table. For instance, here I have January, February, but March, April, May, and June is here. This can happen sometimes. Maybe I've already created this report and then this data came in late. So I want to just drag all of this and merge it into this table. And to do that, I would select all of the data as so and hold the shift key. And now I'm going to drag it on the February. And just like that, I merge those two records. Neat, easy, and simple. And for the final tip, I just received data from my boss, and it's text messages containing a lot of accounting entries, and I have to extract all of the dollar amounts. I have about 50 rows here, and it's going to take me a very long time if I have to type them one after the other. So in order to do this, I will type the first dollar amount in this row right here. So I'm going to go $4,582 and press enter, and then I'm just going to go back and select this cell and hit Control E, and just like that it extracts all of the numbers, all of the amounts I meant. It doesn't matter if the data is the last one in the cell or at the beginning or in the middle, it just works. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.